Hi, my name is Fred Sweezer. I am a 203K consultant as well as a renovation consultant. And the 203K renovation program, known as a mortgage rehab loan, a renovation loan, all of these are loans that are under the Section 203K loan program. It can be used to fund both a home purchase, a renovation under a single mortgage. So it allows for home buyers interested in buying and fixing up their home to roll the cost of both the property and the projects into one loan. Well, how does it work? An FHA 203K loan is backed by the Federal Housing Administration. This type of FHA loan provides a way for home buyers as well as home owners, individuals that have their own property and just want to refinance it and bring it up to marketable conditions. So these are ways that the funds can be developed to repair the property or renovate the property to what extent the borrower wants to do it. Funds obtained through the FHA loan, which can take the form of a 15 or 30-year fixed rate or adjustable rate, can be applied to both material and labor costs because these mortgages are insured by the government. 203K loans may come with more flexible borrower requirements than conventional loans. Well, there's two types of loans. The Streamline loan or limited loan is frequently used for homes that require fewer repairs. It allows home buyers or homeowners to borrow up to $35,000, and this number is being reviewed, and there's a draft in place to bring that up to $70,000. But it takes talking with the mortgage professional or loan consultant to get the right cost of the requirements and applications. May be similar to the process due to lower sum borrowed under the terms of this type of loan. Bear in mind that you won't be able to roll major structural repairs into the sum you wish to borrow, that is under the Streamline. You can go under the standard FHA 203K loan, you can go up to whatever is needed, especially minimum standards. There are minimum requirements that have to be done, and so these are things that have to be addressed as far as getting the property ready for market value and to get it into the kind of shape that you want it to be in, with the right kind of curb appeal and various things like that. And if there is an existing swimming pool or something that is a luxury item that's there, the swimming pool can be repaired if it's already in existence. But other luxurious items such as fireplace, outdoor fireplace, hot tub, those are ineligible upgrades. Certain types of properties may also be getting with the loan officer consultant or mortgage professional will work with you on the terms that, as far as the credit score, the documents that are needed. But I'll focus here on this particular video is the construction aspects of it. We have loan officers, we have mortgage companies that work with us as far as getting the money that's needed for a project that you want to use the 203K loan for. And if need be, you can use the conventional. If you already have the money and just need experience and contractors, we can work with you on those arrangements as well. And that's what we are professionals at doing. We've been trained and educated. We've been in the construction industry for the past 40 years, doing renovations, remodeling, historical restoration, tenant improvement for commercial projects. And we go through continuing education to make sure that our skills are what is needed, or what is needed for to complete your project. So we are a team. We can work with you in any fashion as far as these projects are concerned. So the bottom line is that whether you're looking for an affordable way to purchase, remodel, or refinance your home, an FHA 203K loan can be an excellent option. Before moving forward with the application process, take time to compare mortgage lenders, research projects, and examine the rules and terms, and consider whether the financing vehicle makes sense for your fixer-upper. You can call us at 562-234-2689, and we'll be happy to help you with analyzing the 203K program, as well as developing your project for a mortgage loan. And again, my name is Fred Sweezer. Thank you for listening to this video, and have a nice day.